Let's take a look how you can enable Flash on TikTok. So first, open your TikTok app, tap on the plus sign to record a new video, and on the right side of the screen you have several options for your camera settings, and the last one is Flash, so enable it, and now you can record with Flash. In some rare cases, and especially on older phones, this doesn't work, so if you are one of those people, record your video on regular camera and enable Flash there, and you can easily upload this video to your TikTok app afterwards, so you don't have to record the video in TikTok app if that's your problem. So I hope this helps, and if you need any other guide for TikTok, just comment below and I will try to publish the guide for you very soon.